Hello traders, hope you're doing well. Let's quickly get into today's video because we have a lot of important topics to cover today. The first important event which everybody is waiting for is what Fed chairman is going to speak today in the FOMC meeting. We all know US GDP data came recently. That time it was less than what market expected. The country's growth had reduced based on the data. Now majority of the people are expecting that there is not going to be any rate cut in this session. Only in the month of September or October we might get rate cut. But by chance, looking at this GDP data, even by 0.25%, if Jerome Powell increases the interest rate, definitely it will impact the Indian market. So we need to closely watch this event. Even if the Fed chairman decides to keep the interest rate as it is without making any changes. But if he speaks hawkishly, saying that there is future chances of increasing the interest rate, then for this also the market can slightly react. That also we need to be careful. Whatever the Fed chairman speaks today, I'll keep you updated in the free Telegram channel. I'll share you all the screenshot and the update. If you're not following the Telegram channel, you can scan this QR code to join the group. Now the next important data that we need to look at is what FII did on 30th of April. Now on 29th of April, FII just bought for 170 crores in the cash market, but now they have increased their position. Not just cash market, even in the futures market, in the index front, they have increased their position by 4,000 crores. Even in the stock options, they have increased their position. Overall, in the futures and options segment, they have increased their position by 10,000 crores. Now traders, if you remember, in the month of April, FII continuously they were selling in the market. Maybe just 3 or 4 days they were net buyers, right? Rest all of the days they have sold. When they sell, what happened? DII started buying in the market. Recently, I got to see an article where it said the Nifty Midcap Index jumped around 5.8% after 2 months of continuous decline. Not just midcap, even small cap index surged by 11.4% in the previous month. Who's buying all of these positions? As far as we know, are mutual fund companies, that is DIIs. They were accumulating their positions when FIIs were selling in the market. Now, just because FIIs were net buyers for continuous 2 days, we cannot conclude that the market will start moving towards the upside, or we cannot judge the market sentiment based on only 2 days data, right? We'll wait for 1 more week and see what FII and DII activity is happening in the market. Based on that, we will try to see if 22,500 is going to be an important support for our market. Traders, the next topic which I wanted to discuss about is gold. From record high, gold as of now, it has gone down by 3,500 rupees for 10 grams. As long as the Fed chairman doesn't cut the interest rate, right? Gold price will be staying volatile. Once the rate cut starts coming, gold will start moving towards the upside. So whenever there is a dip, I personally accumulating gold and gold loan companies, because in the future my expectation is market per gram might go up to 8,000 or 8,500. My expectation for 6 months to 1 year. There's not any kind of investment advice. I'm just letting you know what I'm doing in the market. Now traders, if you look at global market, US market, Dow Jones, it saw a dip recently. S&P 500 is down by 0.1.5% and Nasdaq also is down by 2%. So US market as of now, it is in a correction phase. Now there are two possible reasons why US market is falling for the last 2 days. The first thing is what Fed chairman is going to speak in the FOMC meeting. That's the first thing. And some US stocks, they have showed some negative result. Because of that, the market is reacting to this. Now traders, recently I read an article which said Google is laying off people. Not just Google, many companies are laying off people. Recently, even if you see Tesla, a lot of people have been laid off. Many Indian companies also, they are laying off people. So please be very careful. If the interest rate doesn't come under control, we will not get more investment. Many startup companies are not getting funds. So all this will impact the Indian market. In this kind of situation, it becomes very important that we be very, very careful and also try our best to upskill our knowledge in the technology or the field which we are in, so that we become valuable for the company. There's one thing which I wanted to discuss about. In European market also, it is slightly bearish to negative. Now GIFT Nifty is indicating that our market will open somewhere near 22,620. Now quickly what we will do, we will discuss about our Tuesday's trade and then jump into analyzing the chart for tomorrow. Now traders, on Tuesday, both Nifty and Bank Nifty opened with a slight gap up or flat. The first thing that we did at 9:20 in our private Telegram group is we discussed about important resistance and support level both for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now traders, in the next update I said as of now my view about the market is not clear because Bank Nifty is already near all-time high level here. Should we enter a call or put? It was a bit confusing for me. So to avoid this confusion, what I decided was I was looking for a bearish setup in Nifty near the resistance. Near the resistance, I thought of entering a put option trade. Now, while closely watching both the index, we identified a trading opportunity where Bank Nifty had created a double top. Nifty had already given a breakout, that too near the resistance level. At this point of time, when Bank Nifty gave double top and Nifty gave a breakout, I expected a correction, so I decided to consider a put option trade. The logic for this trade, everything I've discussed in the stop loss hunting masterclass, our students would know about this already. Now from the upper level, when Nifty started correcting more than 50-55 points, people would have seen at least 20 points gain in the position which they had taken. That is what I updated in the Telegram channel where I said already market has given 20 points gain. If you're not confident, please book this 20 points profit and close your day in green because market was very volatile. It was just consolidating within a range for longer duration, right? I exited my trade somewhere here. After that, market slowly moved towards the upside, but there was a very big fall. Now looking at this fall, after I exit, many people would have said that you should have held on to the trade. See traders, I basically while trading in options, I follow 3 rules. Rule number 1, only 1 trade per day. Rule number 2, no entering new positions after 2 o'clock. Rule number 3, if the market moves against you and it has reached your stop loss limit, then without thinking too much, we need to exit. That is what I did on Tuesday. You can see exactly at 2 o'clock, I exited the trade. I did not take more than 1 trade per day. During the sideways market, I lost a lot of premium. So when market reversed, around 10 points or 15 points is what I lost. But if it was not 2 o'clock, I wouldn't have exited from the trade. See, after market makes this movement, anybody can say we should have captured this movement, but this doesn't happen all the time. We just go as per our plan. This was the plan. We wanted to capture this. I expected market to go up to 236 level. That is why I was holding on to the trade. So second time when market came to giving me the same amount of profit, I did not exit. I wanted to hold on to the trade until 2 o'clock. I made a loss. It was as per my risk capacity, no problem. Now, this is what happened in the market on Tuesday. Let's see what is the trading plan for tomorrow. Traders, this is a chart of Bank Nifty, 15 minutes time frame. On this chart, you can see I marked 2 trend lines here. Continuously, this trend line is acting as a good resistance. Market broke this level. Again, it has come to the same area for a retest. This trend line is acting as a good supporting area in the market as of now. Now, since market as of now is an uptrend, I believe this fall is only to remove all the people who entered by position at the upper level. I don't think there is any stop loss hunting of retail traders towards the upside. So what I feel is if the market has to continue the trend, it has to correct a bit and later attract some put option buyers, then it can move towards the upside. That is when market can form low, high, higher low, higher low, and then higher high, right? With that logic, we are going to look at the market right now. Now from recent swing low to swing high, if I draw the Fibonacci level, you can see Bank Nifty is as of now is taking support near 0.382 level. Since I feel this move was to remove weak players from the market, it is not retail traders participation. There is no stop loss hunting level towards the upside. Tomorrow, if market opens gap down, many people will enter put option. The next supporting area in the market can be 49,920 because this is 0.5 level of Fibonacci. If market directly breaks this level, if I get any breakout setup with small stop loss, I'll be looking for a call. My first target will be 49,250. If market is extremely bullish, my next target will be 49,530. Instead of this, if market continuously moves towards the downside, it is even better because more people at this breakdown or this trendline breakdown, people will start entering put option. That too here, when market breaks 49,000, more people will enter put. Next, we know this becomes our 0.618 level of Fibonacci, which is the reversal area. And even if market breaks this trend line, later it shows any kind of W pattern reversal with small stop loss, I'll be looking for a call option trade. From here, if market starts moving towards the upside, we can capture a decent momentum on the call option side. So to summarize, if market falls near 0.5 level, we will be looking for a reversal, or near 0.618, we will be looking for a reversal. Only if market breaks this area, retest, again if it is breaking the low, we will plan for a put option trade. We will try a bigger target on the put option side. As long as this happens from the upper level, we'll be looking for only reversal setup in Bank Nifty. In case market opens flat or slight gap up, it starts to move towards the upside. Considering this as support, I'm not interested in a call option trade because there's no stop loss hunting level towards the upside. If market is moving towards the upside, let it move. But at some point of time, again, if it comes out of 0.236 level, here with small stop loss, I will plan for a put because buyers would have entered the market to under stop loss. Market can move towards the downside. So this kind of trading setup on the put option side is available only if market first attracts buyers and then starts moving towards the downside. In case market opens with gap up, then the ultimate resistance is 50,000. If it breaks this level, I'm not sure how far the market will go, so I'm not interested in a call. During the live market, we will identify important resistance and support. Based on that, we will be looking for trading opportunity if market opens with a gap up. So at this area, if there is any reversal setup, we will look at the resistance. If there is any reversal setup, we will look into that. We don't know what can be the next intraday resistance and support as long as the market opens, right? We will wait for that information. Once we identify that, I will share that in the private Telegram group. If market holds on to this 0.236 level, here I cannot plan for put option trade because after consolidation, both the side movement is possible. Only if it directly breaks this area and then shows a reversal, that is when I'll be planning for a put option trade. So this is the trading setup for Bank Nifty. In Nifty, what you can see is continuously this was acting as support, this was acting as resistance. Here also, I feel there is no other stop loss hunting level. This movement was created by big players to remove all the people who entered buy position. In case Nifty moves towards the downside, I feel this is the next supporting area. If Nifty retests this level and then gives a breakdown and stays below 0.618 level, that is when I'll be planning for a put option trade in Nifty, where this area will be my first target 22,390 and next target will be 22,350. In case Nifty moves towards the downside, directly at this breakdown we should not plan. In case market opens flat or gap up, starts moving towards the upside and directly breaks 0.236 level, I don't feel there is any stop loss hunting level towards the upside. Here, if I'm getting any bearish setup with small stop loss, I'll plan for a put option trade where 22,630 will be my first target, 22,580 will be my second target, and final target will be 22,539. Now, since everybody is waiting for the update from the US market, based on that itself, the overall sentiment of the market can change. That is why in the pre-market report, tomorrow morning around 8:30, if there is any additional update, we will share that with you. You can scan this QR code to join the group. The link is also provided in the description box below. During the live market, I will share 1 or 2 minutes video in the private Telegram group explaining my view about the market. It is not any call or tip, it is just sharing my view. As of now, the best thing that we can do is patiently wait for our market to open. Once we identify the levels, we will have more clarity to plan our trade. Traders, it is always important that we analyze the charts at least 1 hour before the market opens. That is when during the pre-market, we can have a basic understanding of what can be the upper level and lower level for the particular day. After the market opens, if we decide to start marking important levels, we might miss a lot of important opportunities. So always make a habit of analyzing the chart at least 1 hour before the market opens. As of now, this is my view about the market. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.